Hello everyone, welcome to the OK Chess, where every move counts. So today we are looking into the Rubinstein Trap. So it's the simple, easy and deadly trap where the black queen is trapped. So let's check. So white plays with a d4, d5, c4, e6, queen gambit decline variation. Take the pawn. White plays knight c3, knight f6. So white played bishop g5, pinning the knight. So black plays simply bishop e7, remove the pin. After that black can able to castle. Is e3, our bishop is open, so it can go to the d3 or e2. Black simply castle here. Then white plays d3, bishop d3. Black play c6. Then queen c2. So here the idea is we can able to take the h7 pawn. So h7 pawn is defended by the this knight. So we simply first take the knight, then the defender, then we can able to take the pawn. So here black simply play knight goes to d7, knight protect the knight. Let's suppose we capture the knight, then it will capture again, and this h7 pawn is still protected. Knight goes to d7, knight f3, rook e8, place the rook in front of our queen, king, castle, h6, attacking the bishop. Bishop goes to f4, knight h5. So pause the video and find out the best move here. So boom, the best move here is knight d5, knight takes d5. So here the idea is this queen having the only these squares to move. Let's suppose our bishop goes to c7 square, so then this queen will be trapped. So this square is very important. So white suppose takes the pawn on d5, and black takes the knight. Black become greedy and take the knight. Then this column will be open, and we can able to place our bishop here. So white takes the pawn on d4, black takes the knight, and the queen is trapped. So yeah, is the simple, easy and deadly trap. Please subscribe to my channel, support me and like the video. Thank you everyone.